Hello, everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to practice a simple English conversation. This will help you speak English more easily and with confidence. Let's start learning together, step by step. The conversation today is about going to USA. When we learn English, it is very helpful to practice conversations about traveling. Many people dream of going to the USA. In this lesson, we will see a simple conversation between Amelia and James about traveling to the USA. So, are you ready? Let's start together. Hi, James. How are you today?
I'm good, Amelia. And you?
I'm very happy. Guess what?
Oh, what happened? Tell me.
I'm going to the USA next month.
Wow, really? That's amazing.
Yes, I got my visa yesterday.
Congratulations. I'm so excited for you.
Thank you, James. I feel nervous, too,
Why nervous?
because it's my first time traveling far.
Don't worry, the USA is wonderful.
Have you been there?
Yes, I went to New York last year.
Oh, New York. Was it beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful. Tall buildings and bright lights.
Wow, I want to see that.
Where will you go in the USA?
I will go to Los Angeles.
Oh, LA. Nice weather and beaches.
Yes, I want to see Hollywood, too.
You will love it. Take many pictures.
Of course. I will send you photos.
Thank you. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks, James. I hope my trip is safe.
It will be. Just enjoy and smile.
Yes, I will.
Have a great journey, Amelia.
Thank you, my friend. Great job. Do you feel your English is getting better? Try practicing with your friends to make it more fun. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They help you learn. Keep practicing every day. Thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe to my channel for more fun and useful English videos.